Good evening, Peter Reznicek from Weekly Options Room, ShadowTrader.net. Talking about the perfect gap fill here today. Kind of a head scratcher. I think nobody was expecting the market to rally as much as it did, and it filled the large gap here in one day in the cash market on the S&P, and the same exact thing happened in the NDX. Pretty much like almost a perfect gap fill in both. It went a little bit into the prior day's range, and I think that's noteworthy. I think that to me is the takeaway for now, that this market is a little bit more bullish than we may think, just given that we didn't reject right away. And this late day futures action here is kind of bullish, as you can see. I wanted to purposely record this a little bit after 4 p.m. If you look at the action right into the after the close, you can see it's still surging. So shorts are still covering here for the most part and kind of pushing, basically. And that just, leads me to believe, even if you don't think of it as bullish, you can think of it as like everybody's short and they're covering, and that's basically it. And if you look at, like, for instance, on this ES, switch it to a fib here and go from the top, you can see you're past the halfway point. You didn't stop at the 50%, so there's potential to move a bit higher. Beyond that, I don't know. Obviously, it's anybody's guess what happens after, but I just want to point that out, that we had a gap fill in one day, and that's kind of bullish. And futures are not backing off at all for the most part since then. So we'll see what the market brings for the rest of the week. Hey, this is Peter from ShadowTrader.net, and I just wanted to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you'd like to trade live with me every day in my weekly options advisory, then check out the link in the description below. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.